Talaga, by ang pinakamaganda sa inyong tatlo?
Gretchen.
Somebody just said, mas maganda si Gretchen at saka si Claudine. And she answered.
Anong sabi mo?
We were in the mall. And then, I was passing, and then somebody said, a sales lady, she said, ay nako, mas maganda pa rin si Gretchen. She said. So parang, you know, parang okay lang. So I just walked. Pero I couldn't, parang hindi ako natahimik. I went back and I said, oo, mas maganda nga sa akin si Gretchen, pero mas maganda pa rin ako kaysa sa'yo. So everybody started laughing. That was just once anyway.
Pinakamayaman, Claudine.
Gretchen.
Yeah, I think Claudine, in fairness, on her own.
On her own, yeah.
Talaga?
On her own, yes.
Pinaka-sexy.
On my own.
Okay. On my own, ka-sexy.
Gretchen.
Sino ang pinakahabulin ng lalaki?
Gretchen.
Obvious ba kung
She's the
pinakamaraming
pinakamaganda. Kasi everybody who talks sa mga lalaki, grabe your sister, goddess, talagang sobra.
Although when I was young, ang dami tumatawag kay Marge.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Sino-sino?
Non-showbiz.
Non-showbiz?
Yeah.
Talaga? Pinakamaswerte?